I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by assessing the damaged screw, size, material, and how far it sits, because that dictates the method. Apply penetrating oil and let it soak for at least 10 minutes. This breaks corrosion bonds. Next, center punch the screw to give your drill a starting point, and select either a left-hand drill bit or a rotary tool with a carbide bit, depending on space. Clamp the workpiece. You want it immobile, so the follow-up drilling or grinding is controlled and accurate. Once the punch mark is visible, you drill with a left-hand bit slightly smaller than the shaft. Drill at steady speed and try reverse while cutting. Sometimes the bit will catch and spin the screw out. If the top spins, grind a straight slot with a rotary tool or weld a nut onto the stub so a wrench gets purchase. When using an extractor, start small, tap it into seat, and turn slowly counterclockwise. Make sure to clear metal chips, often so the extractor holds reliably. You finish by removing the screw and cleaning the hole. Run an appropriate tap through the threads to remove debris and inspect for damage. If threads are stripped, insert a helicoil or retap to the next size and choose a matching fastener. Make sure torque specs are respected. If extraction fails, apply localized heat to expand surrounding metal, or as a last resort, cut the fastener out and repair or replace the workpiece. If it binds, stop, reassess, and avoid forcing the tool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.